Okay, so seller, after every third cut, cleans the AC unit. It looks really, really good and very new. Very cold inside the house. Plus we got gas. Electric panel seems to be up to date. I'm gonna go on in. Very well upkept. Maintenance on exterior and interior. So I walk in, it smells really, really good. This is around November, so smells like good holiday meals here. Garage is two-car garage, and space here in the front, extra space here in the front, and I believe you can fit 2 vehicles in here. Really good. Appliances, really nice. Whirlpool. So what you got? Whirlpool stainless steel appliances. Okay. Everything looks really good here. No structural issues at all. Floors are even. Check y'all. Oh no, you're all right, mama. Everything looks good structurally. This is, I guess, formal. This is office space here. No closet. Master or primary bedroom here. No structural issues here. Very clean. Walk-in closet. Nice walk-in closet. Linen. Garden tub. Separate shower. Separate toilet. Everything smells good. Looks good. We're talking about paint here. Floors look really good. They did an excellent job on the floors. Excellent job on the floors. Baseboards and trimming. This is a full bath, so this will be second full bath. Bedroom, closet. Another bedroom, closet. All right. We got washroom. It's in the office with the